Now you're probably wondering, what the hell is this thing? Yeah, good question. Apparently this is a Universal. It's a spinner branded Universal made by TAT. These originally came with a weird close mount kit. So essentially they were flush mount spinners with their bottom mount. And as you can see, they're not your typical configuration. Oh, and the spinner motor has GE vents for some screwed up reason. Yeah, so whoever designed this thing must have been on a lot of coke at the time, because this thing is pretty damned queer. Anyway, when I found this thing, the close mount kit, all the mounting hardware was missing, so I had to find a new downrod coupler, borrowed it from something, and now it's just hanging ball socket. So, yeah. Nice egg-shaped switch housing. And notice how the blade irons have concealed hardware. Few TATs actually have that for some reason. Anyway, let's see what this weird thing does. Starting on low. The bearings are a bit loud and noisy. Anyway, now to medium. This is a 52-inch fan, by the way. When I first saw these things, I didn't know what they were. All I knew is they were sold under the Universal label. But I had no idea who the OEM was until I found it. Saw the sticker on top of the motor and was like, oh, that's what it is. Okay. Yeah, TAT's been known for making some off-the-wall stuff, including this abomination, evidently. Anyway, now to high. Performance is kind of average. It has a running bone to it. Somewhat high pitch. And as you can hear, the bearings are very loud. Coast. And there you have it, a universal flush mount spinner made by TAT.